Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again. What is in my pocket here, guys? Let's have a look. It is the Huawei Mate 20X, and this is your first look of this on my channel right here. What a stunning, amazing phablet phone this is. Now, I'm actually borrowing this from a friend right now. I actually am using this. My guys lent me this phone for a little bit of time, and I just wanted to kind of put it through its paces, but showing you here what an incredible screen. This is like the Honor 8X Max on steroids. It's unbelievable. There's the teardrop notch. It looks so much better here. No light bleed whatsoever. And he's installed the Google apps so that this is the Chinese version, but it doesn't feel like it. Look how thin it is. Look how unbelievable the blue glossiness of it with USB-C on the bottom. It is just an incredible phone. And just using this for a few minutes like I did, and I will be using this for a bit longer. The Hong Kong version of this phone is coming out very soon. That is the one I hope to get pretty soon. Let's do the classic Frankie Tech camera shot right here. And do I really need to hype up this camera? This is the triple camera setup here. It's unbelievable. It's going to be incredible in low light, but in regular lighting, this is going to be one of the best cameras on the market. Huawei is just knocking it out of the park with their releases now. And look at this phone. It is just beautiful. So let me know, guys, what you think of this phone. Do you want to see me do more videos of this phone? There's the fingerprint scanner and the triple camera setup. It's unbelievable, guys. I'm so excited about this phone, but I do have a few other phones I'm interested in as well. Let me know in the comments there. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for future updates on Frankie Tech, guys. I do appreciate all the support. And you know, the Mate 20X, if there's any Mate 20X, any Mate 20 I'm gonna buy, it's gonna be this one, guys. So that's it for this video, guys. Definitely hit me up in the comments what you think. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Y'all have a good one.